Hi everyone, welcome to another Ballet for Tutorials and welcome to our series Discovering Repertoire Level 4 from the Royal Academy of Dance. I'm Jelena and today we're going to be learning developing exercise number 2 towards learning our swan-like variation. To begin this exercise, go as far back as you can in your space and your classroom. Do a 5th position croisé, right leg in front, arms on brava. You're going to breathe 5, plie on the 6, chassé 7, 8. Because we have right leg as a supporting leg, we're going to have right arm on top. We're going to continue to do a 5th position and fast. From here, your arms go round, bring leg and arm up, double, run that ancestration on releve, tombe to the other diagonal, croisé, left leg in front, left arm on top. And repeat the same to the other direction. Arm fast, round, releve, double, round finish on releve, tombe forward, right leg, right arm in front. We are going to do a releve, stop for a second, change left, change right, change left, chassé, pose. And we are going to be repeating everything one more time from the beginning, but starting with the left leg as a supporting leg. Now we're going to focus on arms coordination. So they are round, we breathe to allonge, we chassé, arm on top. So now bring those wrists up, fingers down. We're going to round to brava, bring those arms to allonge from that 5th position, right? Allonge, double, breathe, and now open, straight, to left arm on top. And repeat the same. Round, allonge, double, allonge, and right arm on top. Now we're going to do 5th position, stretch those arms, and we're going to move 1, wrist, 2, wrist, 3, chassé, and ready to do everything to the other side. Now we're going to focus on those legs and feet. 5th position, croisé. We are going to do 5, plie 6, chassé tout en du derrière 7, 8. Now, as we close, look what my heels are doing. Perfect and fast. Bring that leg without stop, passing through the tendu, up, double, run, releve, straight to your chassé plie. Repeat the same. 5th position and fast, and look how my heel is going from that croisé, pushing forward. Pass through the tendu, don't stop, keep going through up, your double, run, releve, tombe. 5th position and squeeze everything together. And now because I don't have that much space, I had to bring this leg a little bit back. However, if you do have the space, just squeeze the back leg towards that front leg. Front leg doesn't move. Yep. So we do 5th, squeeze. And now we do 1, 2, 3, chassé, pose. And now we are going to combine everything. Legs, feet, arms, and head. 5th position, croisé, right leg in front, arms on brava, breathe 5, 6, chassé 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, chassé 5, 6. I'm going to keep moving and do everything to the other side. However, I'm going to move back so we have space to keep going. 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, change 2, change 3, change 4, 5, chassé 6, 7, close, 8. The first option that you're going to see is going to be with the original music from the syllabus, however, with the music slower down to a -20%. And the option 2 that you're going to see is going to be the original music with the original tempo, the original pace from the syllabus. Thank you so much for joining me in this amazing series of Discovering Repertoire from the Royal Academy of Dance Level 4.